Well, good morning, good afternoon. My name's Tom Jenkins. I work at ETOA, and it's my enormous privilege to welcome you to this, the European Travel Marketplace North America. It's entirely online. No one is there in person at the moment, and there are just a few things I need to point out. Firstly, it's very much a new online system that we have. And you need to use your timeline to access your assigned meetings. And what's really important is to know that this system does not automatically bring up the meeting like the old online system did. Here you actually have to log into each meeting as it takes place. So it's very important you click join the meeting at the scheduled moment. You need to keep an eye on the countdown, which will tell you exactly how long you've got until the next appointment. And you can also use the meeting hub to connect with additional delegates. And please use that meeting hub. There are going to be plenty of people in there, and you're going to be able to use that to connect with lots of people. And indeed, we're keeping the portal open so you can carry on connecting with people all the way through until Friday the 31st of March, if you wish to make any additional meetings. This is going to be a learning experience for a lot of people, and I just know it's going to require patience, but the system does work, and you just need to concentrate a little and move backwards and forwards into and out of each meeting. That's it on the technical side. I mean, I would stress that the assistance is available. ETOA staff are available to connect with, and the help area is very, very clearly set at the top of each page. I would just leave you with one thought. What we've got here today is we've got a very wide range of buyers. I would say probably 50% of them are standard tour operators, but the rest come from a wide range of wholesalers, individual travel agents and online travel players. We've tried to represent quite a Catholic mix of buyer people, and I think you're going to find that this market, which is a booming market at the moment for Europe, is going to be one which is well worth engaging in. And a big thank you to our sponsors, without whom this event could not take place. So we're very grateful to the Alexandra Hotel Norway, Kuoni Tumlare, Tourismus Group France and Switzerland, Visit Oulu Finland, Holiday Tours in Iceland. The last thing I would say is that this workshop is to be viewed within the context of the other workshops that we do. You will find that there are going to be several throughout the year, some of which are online, some of which will be in person, but we'll touch upon that at the end. Thank you very much, and have a great day.